Hey there, I'm Felicia from Compass Land USA. We have a brand new land blog video to share with you today. We get a lot of questions from people who are residents or citizens of India, tax implications for Indians buying property in the USA. We are not tax experts and cannot give you tax advice. You should seek out the help and advice of a professional accountant or real estate lawyer to advise you. We can direct you to resources you can use to educate yourself as an Indian national NRA. Again, that's non-resident alien buying land in the US. The IRS publication number 515 does do a decent job of summarizing the rules for NRAs, and I'll put that in the description of this video for you. The Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act of 1980 was enacted by Congress to impose a tax on foreign persons when they sell or receive income from a U.S. real property interest. There is so much to wrap your head around regarding taxes, and again, we suggest you seek out the advice and make a plan with a professional lawyer or international tax advisor. Here are a few topics that you could discuss with them. Tax rates. Indian investors of U.S. real estate need to pay taxes on any income earned in the U.S. This means that you will have to pay taxes on the income from your property if there is any. So if you are making any income from your land purchase, you're going to have to pay taxes on that income. And I think that tax rate is around 30%. It might be lower if there's a treaty between the U.S. and India. Another thing you can discuss with them is foreign investor tax withholding, and I think this applies to Indians. When you or your kids, your grandkids go to sell the property down the road, they will need to pay a 15% withholding tax because you're a non-resident. I believe there are some exemptions to this, but I'm not clear on what they are. Another thing to bring up would be capital gains implications. When you sell your land in the US, any gain is taxed as if the property had been sold by a US citizen or resident. This means that the gain might qualify for long-term capital gains treatment if the property has been held for more than 12 months. This is a great topic for you to discuss with your accountant and advisor. If you don't have any experience with US real estate, it might be worth it to hire an expert who has dealt with Indian investors to help you. Another thing to discuss would be state tax. Depending on the state, there may be state tax withholding or tax liability. And another thing to bring up would be the 1040 NR. As an Indian NRA, you would be required to file a 1040 NR return to report the income from real estate and any associated withholding if the 871D election is made. So you'll first need to obtain a U.S. taxpayer identification number, a TIN, from the IRS to file a tax return. Are you an Indian citizen looking to buy land in the U.S.? Compass Land USA can help you with your land investment. Call or text us anytime at 313-349-0434. We're happy to answer any questions that you may have and see how we can help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have lots of land blog videos and custom property tours for all the properties in our inventory. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.